Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this vlog, we are going to feature Grainsmart Rice Business Franchise Business Package Ideas. Grainsmart Rice Business is the largest, strongest, and most trusted retailer, wholesaler, and franchisor of special rice grains in the Philippines. Conceptualized after years of study how to form a rice retail chain the community must count on. Grainsmart financially made its debut in early 2014. They have more than 1,000 branches nationwide. From traditional rice box, Grainsmart introduced a designed patent glass rice dispenser that presents clean rice grains. Thus, curious consumers build trust from its insect-free dispensers. With its networks in the small to medium-scale farmers from Central and Northern Luzon, as well as Mindoro and Palawan, Grainsmart partnered with them to help them achieve a sustainable livelihood. They also receive prestigious awards from Mediacom as Best-Selling Franchise in 2015 and as Best Rice Franchise Company under 2016 Most Trusted Consumer Brand from People's Choice Award. Their vision and mission. GM's vision and mission is to help not only start-up entrepreneurs or prospective entrepreneurs wanting to establish a business that will last a lifetime, but help the Philippine rice industry by regaining its past glory through the promulgation of mix-free and quality rice grains locally grown by Filipino farmers that is reasonably priced, and to offer and impart the type of service that will ensure trust and loyalty among clients. For the Grainsmart products, Grainsmart not only offers the accustomed white rice but colored rice as well. It is strived to reintroduce to Filipinos the healthier side of eating rice. Now, they are also providing water refilling station in partnership with Aquamart Pure Drinking Water, Bills Payment Center in partnership with Pay Retail, and LPG Business in partnership with Phoenix Super LPG. For the Grainsmart franchise packages. Number 1, Duchess Package with a package fee worth of 248,000 pesos. For the package inclusions, 5 slots dispenser and standee, digital weighing scale, front signage, rice paraphernalia, 5 product info board, marketing collaterals, and marketing support. Package number 2, Princess Package with a franchise package worth of 298,000 pesos. For the package inclusions, 10 slots dispenser and standee, analog weighing scale, digital weighing scale, double face signage, front signage, 2 rice paraphernalia, 10 product info board, marketing collaterals, marketing support, product training, and 20 initial rice stock. For the franchise package number 3, Prince Package with a package worth of 398,000 pesos. For the package inclusions, 10 slots dispenser and standee, analog weighing scale, digital weighing scale, double face signage, front signage, 2 rice paraphernalia, 10 product info boards, marketing collaterals, marketing support, product training, 20 initial rice stock, and tricycle. For the contact details, please contact Grainsmart Rice Business with the address of 394 Banawe Corner, Maria Clara Street, Santo Domingo, Matalahiv, Quezon City, Philippines. You may contact their phone number 02-8287-5250. You can send them an email at inquiry@grainsmart.co. You can also visit their website at www.grainsmart.co. What are you waiting for? Start your business with a franchise of Grainsmart Rice Business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.